Alright guys, so we need to go through Tsunami Museum and you'll see what happened inside, okay? Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome to Tsunami Museum here in Banda Aceh. You know, standing here, it's hard not to feel emotional. This museum is not just a building, it is a reminder of what happened on December 26, 2004, when a powerful earthquake struck just off the coast of Sumatra. It triggers a tsunami that changed millions of lives in just a few minutes.
Like the situations on Tsunami's Day,
Wow.
where there is a lot of screaming, water around us.
Yeah.
It's so history.
Wow.
The waves that hit Aceh were up to 30 meters high. That's like a 10-story building coming at full speed toward the land. Thousands of people were living normal life. Some were cooking, some were working, kids were playing, and then suddenly everything was gone. In this very province, more than 197,000 people lost their lives. Many of them are still remembered here in photos, names, and stories. Every corner of this museum tells a part of their story. From the dark hallway of death that represents the fear and chaos to the well of prayers, where people can pause and reflect.
What do you feel?
Huh?
What do you feel here?
Well, I feel like tragedy. I feel the tragedy.
Uh-huh.
Kind of sad. I'm living in the right room. Okay.
Right.
The important about that almost
So as we walk through this museum, I hope we take a moment to appreciate life, the power of nature, the power of unity. This is not just a story about loss. It is also a story about hope, strength, and starting over.
Jadi di saat itu banyak korban jiwa yang dibawa dari luar. Tetapi kalau dari di dalam musim tsunami itu semuanya selamat.
In this room, you will see real photos, personal items, stories from survivors. Some lost everything. Some walked for hours in ruins, looking for family. Some were just kids who suddenly became the only survivors in their family.
What?
So guys, this is the tunnel of the victim in Tsunami Aceh. This is all of the victims that have been
This is the name of the victim.
So as we walk together, let's not rush. Let's feel, let's remember, and let's honor those who were lost by never forgetting and by sharing what we learned here with others.
Hello, right now we are in Tsunami Museum with Sefeo members here. Okay. Okay.
The tsunami in 2004 didn't just affect Aceh, it was felt around the world. People from more than 50 countries died. People from more than 100 countries came to help. And that is the message we must never forget. In the face of disaster, humanity can still unite. As we finish this visit, take one last look around. Let this museum remind you to love harder, forgive faster, and live more fully. Disasters can shake the world in seconds, but it's how we stand up afterwards that defines us.
And thank you so much for watching our video, and we finish our open today. Thank you for walking through this journey with us, and may we never forget what we have seen, heard, and felt here today. Hi, we are from Aceh. Thank you for watching us. Bye.